Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The single best idea, and first of all, thank you for staying with us over just to the cacophony of news flow. I don't remember the last quiet day. It's out there somewhere 10 days ago or so. But every day has just been, literally, we're blowing up the show in real time. We did that today with a 5-4 Supreme Court decision, and on we will go. Eric Moa leading our coverage there. We've got like 4 or 5 interns helping out. But I tell you, it's 24/7 to just try to emphasize and weight what the ducks are. We were advantaged today. Bob Michele showed up driving all of Mr. Diamond's fixed income effort at JP Morgan. Hugely important job and with a great team around him. Bob Michele had a lot to say, and particularly the tariff impact and all of this killing the economy.
A month ago, everyone and the market looked at tariffs as an impulse to higher inflation. Today, they're looking at it as a drag on growth, the material one. I tend to look at tariffs as economy killers. So yeah, you get a price shock higher, but that's going to dial down aggregate final demand. And that's what I think the Fed will be focusing on. They're going to be laser focused on the labor market. They're going to see if businesses and households retrench.
Bob Michele there in the summary of his coupon discussion was these are attractive yields, grab them now. He didn't say so much extend duration, but just we're back to some form of normal bond market that we knew ages ago. And we heard that from others today as well. With great presidential perspective from the Kennedy School of Harvard and now at Yale School of Management, Gautam Mukunda joined us. His book, Picking Presidents, is really interesting. It's a twisted book about how we go about our process. He, of course, listened to the joint session speech last night. He was really quite heated about some of the items the president spoke on.
I use ginormous on a daily basis in class now, so it's definitely a Yale word. It is huge. The tariffs are going to hit, and then I'll just sort of we just heard both the president yesterday and then the secretary today proclaiming that Trump was going to balance the budget. I mean, like we all know that's not actually going to happen. Like that's absurd. That's exactly the opposite of what he did. But the plans that the Republicans are talking about involve huge cuts to Medicaid as essentially that's not a forecast. It is the only way to make the arithmetic work, and arithmetic yields to no man. So given those consequences, the distributional effects of these are going to be very large, and the low-income voters who Trump remarkably captured in 2024 for the sort of the first time in the history of the Republican Party, they're the ones who are going to take this in the teeth harder than anybody else.
Professor Mukunda of Yale University. We'll keep this short today. It's busy, and we hope that you are listening to. Thank you for your support and your commute across the nation. Good morning to 99.1 FM in Washington, 92.9 in Boston, and, of course, our flagship Bloomberg 1130 in New York. We're on YouTube. Subscribe to Bloomberg Podcasts. Humbled by the growth there. Thank you. And we are out on YouTube Podcasts. It's Single Best Idea.